After a long, painful, emotionally scaring journey, months of searching, saving, and almost selling my kidney to Facebook Marketplace, I finally got myself a guitar amplifier. Isn't it beautiful? It's like my dad finally came back after going out to buy milk, except this one actually showed up. Rate my unboxing skills. Fuck, the chicken is so loud. I wanna eat him so bad. I also bought a Roto Sound guitar string gauge 8 because I wanna bend my electric guitar like it's going to be gay. Because I told my guitar teachers I wanna play like Hendrix. He said, Step 1, burn your guitar.
You fucked up.
And also, here's a manual. By the way, who reads manual anyway? Spoiler alert, me. I wanted to buy a boutique amp, but then my wallet was crying. It was like, nah bro, let's stick to dreaming. That's why I bought a modular amp because I couldn't afford a pedal. Who needs a pedal, by the way, when you get an amp that can do it all? Besides, pedals are for people who have, you know, money. That's why when I saw this amp for only 4,700 pesos, I said to myself, damn, this is the real deal. This amp, huh, it has more personality than me. At least it can switch to clean to distorted. Me, I'm stuck to awkward. Jokes aside, let's test this amp, but before that, let's get our guitar and restring it. Ta-da! Let's restring this guitar. Magic. They're still not in tune because brand new guitars are like toddlers. They'll need time to stretch, and no matter how much you pull them, they'll still throw a tantrum and go out of tune. I didn't realize that it's already on from the manufacturer. I don't know if this is bad or something, but I hope they turn it off before shipping out to me. Plugging my guitar into an amp for the first time felt like unlocking a superpower. Except instead of saving the world, I'm just annoying my neighbors with bad riffs at full volume. By the way, for those who's asking for my progression, I still didn't progress. I'm too lazy to practice. I do know a few solo, but I only knew one full song, and it's a religious song called Broken Vessels. Here's a few solo in a sound demo. There's a rust in my B string. It's a brand new string, but why is there a rust? This is the JC Clean. Clean. Tube Screamer. Blues. crunch, lead, rhythm, and metal. that's all. Thank you.